Good morning, students. Today we are going to study cross multiplication method under Unit 3 Linear Equations. We have discussed earlier elimination method and substitution method. Consider the two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. The constant coefficients are a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. The ratio of coefficients a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Condition for two lines to intersect at a unique point, that is, to cut each other at a single point, is a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Now, according to cross multiplication method, we have the formula x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Y equals c1 a2 minus c2 a1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. We will apply this formula in solving the equation. In example 1, 2x plus 3y equals 17, 3x minus 2y equals 6. First we write the equation as 2x plus 3y minus 17 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0, exactly as it is shown above. Same way we write below. Now we find out the values of the constant coefficients a1 2, b1 3, c1 minus 17, a2 3, b2 minus 2, c2 minus 6. This is minus 6. Use the formula x equals b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. There are so many books tell you about arrow methods and so many other methods, and students get confused. So it is easy to use this formula and easy to learn this formula also. It is 1 2 minus 2 1 over 1 2 minus 2 1. 1 2 minus 2 1 over 1 2 minus 2 1. In case of x, BC upon AB. In case of y, CA upon AB. Denominators are same. In case of x, it is BC. In case of y, it is CA. In this way, you can learn this formula, and there is no need of applying any arrow method or any other method for cross multiplication. Straight away use the formula and get the result. Please see. Applying the value of b1 c2 b2 c1, we write it in brackets, the values, then solve the bracket first. If while solving it is minus, then minus minus becomes plus, but since it is plus, so plus minus is minus. 2 and minus 2, minus 4, 3 and 3, 9, minus, we know that minus everywhere is going to be added, minus 18, minus 34, minus 52, minus 4, minus 9, minus 13, minus and minus get cancelled out, 13 4s are 52, the value of x is 4. Now we find the value of y. Equate the value of C1A2 and C2A1, A1B2 and A2B1. The denominator we can straight away write as minus 13 also, as denominator in case of x and y are same. Only you need to solve the numerator. 17 3s are minus 51, 6 2s are 12. Here it is minus sign and outside there is minus sign. So minus and minus will become plus, you can see. Minus 51 plus 12, minus 39, minus sign gets cancelled, y is 3. The solution is x is 4 and y is 3. If we are given in terms of 1 over x 2, 1 over y 3 equals 13, 1 over x 5, 1 over y minus 4 equals minus 2. Generally in books it is written in place of 1 over x, assume u, in place of 1 over y, assume v. It is up to you whether you want to assume u and v, and you can do straight away as shown over here. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, we choose from this equation. Write it like this. Find out A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2. We know they are not equal, so we will get the equation, unique solution for this equation. Formula in place of x will be 1 over x. Same formula, B1 C2 minus B2 C1, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. You can see the values are equated. Minus minus becomes plus. Plus into minus is minus. Solving, minus sign gets cancelled. 1 over x is 2, so x is 1 over 2. Same way, in place of writing y, we write 1 over y. Formula will remain same. C1 A2 minus C2 A1, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Equate the values. Solve them. Minus sign gets cancelled. 1 over y is 3, y is 1 over 3. Now the next thing that we are going to study is condition for solvability of linear equations. Consistent and inconsistent system of linear equations. The linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are consistent if there is at least one solution. Inconsistent if it has no solution. What is the condition? That it is going to have solution, only one solution, no solution and infinite solution. The condition for unique solution is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Ratio of coefficients are not equal. In this case, the lines will intersect each other. No solution means the lines are parallel. Condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 over c2. Infinite solution. In this case, the lines will overlap each other. Here all the coefficients ratios are equal. a1 upon a2 equals b1 upon b2 equals c1 upon c2. Check which of the following equations are unique, give infinite solution or no solution. There are three equations. One by one we will consider them and check which is going to give us unique solution and infinite solution and no solution. In the first equation, a1 is 3, b1 is 5, c1 is 7, a2 is 2, b2 is 4, c2 is 9. a1 upon a2 is 3 by 2, b1 upon b2 is 5 over 4. Clearly they are not equal. You can see. So first equation will give unique solution. In second equation, the coefficients are here, ratio is here, You can see A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 on solving give us the same value, but not equal to C1 upon C2. It will give no solution. In third pair of equations, you can see values of A1, B1, C1, ratios, all are equal. So this will give infinite solution. In this, we will get infinite solutions. Let us see example 2. Find the value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 3x plus ky minus 15 equal to 0 has no solution. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 you can recognize by writing it in the form x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 and 3x plus ky minus 15 equal to 0. Basically, A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2 is 2 over k, C1 upon C2 is minus 8 upon 15. This 8 is brought on left hand side, sign becomes minus 8. And cancellation we get 8 over 15. For no solution, A1 upon A2 equals B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Let us equate the values. We get this relation. Now this relation can be solved taking first two ratios and second and third ratios separately. Between first two ratios we have equality sign, value of k is equal to 6. Between next two ratios there is sign of not equality, not equal to. So we get the value of k not equal. K is equal to 6 and k is not equal to on solving 4 upon 15. Consider example 3. Find the value of k. If kx minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and 6x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 has a unique solution. You find out values of coefficients, take the ratios, equate the ratios. In case of unique solution, condition is A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. The value of k will be in terms of not equal. K is not equal to 3. Example 4. Find k if kx plus 3y minus k minus 3 equals to 0 and 2x plus ky minus k equal to 0 have infinite solutions. You can see condition for infinite solution is A1 over A2, B1 over B2, C1 over C2. We know the values are A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Equate the values in this condition. Consider the left side and right side. First two ratios, second and third ratio. On solving we get the first two ratios give two values of k plus 6 minus 6. On solving the second and third ratio give us the value 0 and 6. The value of k which satisfies both conditions is k equal to 6. K equal to 6. K equal to 6 is common in both sides. So our answer is for k equal to 6, the pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. The exercise is given to us for practice in PDF format. Kindly do the questions of this exercise and you will find that on the basis of examples you will be able to do these questions, and these questions are very important, especially the K method questions. They definitely come in the examinations. Students, stay safe, stay at home, keep studying. Best of luck.